Look, I'm gonna be honest with you. A plant-based oil-free mayo is tricky because it's essentially eggs and oil emulsion. Neither of those two things go with plant-based and oil-free. So look, I'm not gonna try to pretend that physics took the day off. Instead, what I'm gonna do is focus on making a creamy, tangy, whole food plant-based sandwich bread that gives you the mayo job without the oil or the eggies. Welcome to the end of Condiment Week here at PB with J. Earlier this week, we made ketchup, we made mustard, we made relish, we made barbecue sauce. And if you want to watch all of those together, tomorrow on the channel, I'm posting a compilation with all of them, as well as ranking them for how well I think they hold up over time, and if it's the kind of thing that I think I would have in my kitchen every single week. And if you're watching this video after the fact, that video might already be up, and if it is, I'll put a link in the description down below. This is really simple and everything comes together inside of a blender. Me personally, I recommend making this in a small blender like a Magic Bullet if you got something like that. Otherwise, a large blender will work just fine. If you want to make this a little fattier and more indulgent, I would recommend soaking like 1 to 2 tablespoons of cashews in hot water, just while you're getting everything else ready to go. And then everything is going inside of our little blender device. So that's our silken tofu. Aquafaba. If you are not familiar with aquafaba, we have tons of videos here on the channel talking all about it. And if you want a recipe for making the best idiot-proof aquafaba there is, check out our cookbook. It's in there along with a lot of other delicious recipes. I got a QR code on the screen that'll take you there. And if you're old school and you want a hardcore copy, just a hard copy, I'll hook you up. Email me at the email address that's on the screen and I will tell you how to get a hardcore copy of this. It's just a regular copy, but let's say it's hardcore. We're also gonna mix in our lemon juice, ideally fresh if you've got it, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, and if you have the mustard that we made early in the week, your own homemade mustard, just use that. Garlic powder, onion powder, and if you have some kala namak, which is like black salt, I would put a little bit of that in there as well, along with just a little bit of traditional sea salt, like a 1/4 teaspoon max. And this is where you're gonna throw your cashews in as well, and then just start blending everything together. This one doesn't necessarily need to sit overnight or anything like that, but I definitely think it's better if you let it sit in the fridge for like a half an hour to an hour, just to chill and to let everything kind of meld and come together. That's my preference. And honestly, I do not like mayonnaise. It is my least favorite condiment, but this, I enjoy putting on a sandwich or a burger or in a wrap, or using it in any way that mayonnaise is used inside of a recipe. I hope you enjoyed our last recipe inside of our Condiment Week series. If you did, let us know in the comments down below. And if you missed any of them, catch up in that compilation video that we have made. Hit the like button to let YouTube know to share those with other people. Subscribe for more videos like this. And if you're still here, YouTube has this video all queued up for you to enjoy right now. See you in the next one.